We are heading to the Mercedes-Benz Stadium.
Okay.
You don't say nothing?
I don't.
Like we're going on a tour?
Oh yeah, we're doing a tour of the Mercedes-Benz Stadium.
So what just happened?
It took me like 20 minutes to get through security, all because of my cell phone.
The tour started without us.
I don't know what floor we're on, but this is like stupid high. And
Yeah.
now we gotta go right back down where we came from.
It's a little tall. What are we going to do?
We're going into the Atlanta Falcons locker room.
So this one, it had the input from some old Falcon players who played in Atlanta Stadium and the Georgia Dome, and they come in and they say, wow, our locker room was like the Holiday Inn, and this is the Ritz-Carlton of locker rooms. This is probably competing with Jerry Jones's locker room in Dallas. I think it's been said that there's a battle between Jerry Jones and Arthur Blank to have the biggest toys. So I've never been in the Dallas Cowboys locker room, but it may not be as large as this one.
So what you getting ready to do now?
Go to the field.
We have actually been to the AT&T Stadium in Arlington, Texas. Unfortunately, we didn't always record everything we did, so we have photos of it, but no video. But I would say this stadium is very on par with the Dallas Stadium.
It's not painted right now, but if it was, I'm standing in the end zone.
Our field is manufactured by a company called Field Turf Management, and so basically underneath there are 7 layers. So we have concrete, wood, we have plastic, rubber, and sand. We have a few other pieces too. But these little pellets that you see, this is turf, and so basically it's made out of recycled rubber. And so it's pretty cool. But anyways, of course the field is artificial right now, but in 2026, closer to 2026, we're going to have real grass because we're hosting the World Cup, so that's pretty cool. And just in order to host the World Cup, you have to have real grass. So somebody will be doing something with this. I don't know. Do you know?
They donated to local area high schools to use on their practice fields, and so that's really a good deal because this is not inexpensive stuff.
Yeah.
And obviously you can see there's going to be a lot of AstroTurf or artificial grass going out to local high schools.
Yeah. Also, too, we recycle the field every 5 years. So last year was the 5 years that we've been open, like the stadium has been open. So they recycled it. And in the Home Depot backyard, which we'll go over there like to see out the window. But to our roof, somebody asked me about it earlier. Like I said, it opens and closes within 7 minutes. And it's 8 different panels that are water seal tight. So like if it was to storm or rain, none of that rain would come into the stadium. And also too, our entire stadium is made out of steel, pretty much steel and concrete. So basically it could survive a category 4 hurricane if that was to ever happen, which I hope it doesn't. But when our roof opens, it's supposed to mimic a camera lens. It's called our Oculus, but it's supposed to mimic a camera lens. So like when the camera shutters, that's how it's supposed to open. It's how it's supposed to look. So if you want to see a video of it, it's actually on YouTube, on the History channel, their YouTube channel. You can watch a video.
What do you think about the field?
It's pretty nice. It's very similar to Dallas as far as texture.
Now where are we going into?
Some other locker room.
The soccer team. It's a little different. Still nice.
Brad Guzan is our goalie, and he just happens to be in the corner locker, and I just discovered that. And so when media comes in, okay, Brad, what was your secret to success? He is an amazing athlete. He blew out his knee, I think, earlier this season, and we didn't really think he was going to be back, but he rehabbed and he's back. He's probably 6'4" with a big wingspan. And a few balls get by.
Balls!
What?
Ooh!
He's a really, really good goalie. And the fans are waving these big flags, and they're really, really energetic and very, very soccer prone. And so when he makes a good save, all the fans will yell out, "Goo! Goo!" He's sort of for Guzan, but he's a class guy.
The Mercedes-Benz Stadium is massive and a must-see if you're in Atlanta, Georgia. I will not say it is the best stadium I've ever been to. Being a Cowboys fan, of course, Jerry World is my favorite.
So what did you think about the tour of the Atlanta Falcons Stadium?
I enjoyed it. I think that they gave us a lot of information. I also gave them a little bit of information about that one time when we painted the town blue with Pepsi.
So I came to the center of the stadium just to get a good photo, like lined up center. Turn around. seat 13.
I know I said I retired, but I'm back from the dead. I resurrected the rhyme and put it on a music bed.